Hello children, we are going to do exercises of chapter number 2 of grammar adjectives. We have explained a lot all 9 forms of adjective in explanation. Now let's move to exercises. Exercise number A of chapter number 2 adjective. Let's see the exercises. Exercise number 1 of A has been given. The adjectives are lot of and unhappy. Sushma needs a lot of patience when she deals with unhappy customers at the supermarket. A lot of is quantitative adjective or adjective of quantity, and unhappy is descriptive adjective or adjective of quality. Now let's start the exercise from second. I would like to have some rice and a bit of dal with a little pickle. Will you guess which type of adjectives are there and where are they? Try yourselves. There are 3 adjectives. Have you found? Okay. Now I will say there are 3 adjectives: some, bit, and little. And all these 3 adjectives are adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity or quantitative adjective. Now let's move to the third exercise of A. Rohit was the first person to reach the destination. Very easy. Easy one is here. Try to answer. Where is and how many adjectives are there in this sentence? Okay. There is only one adjective, and that is first. First is adjective of number. This is first, second, third, last, next. These are called numeral or adjective of number. As we use first, second, one, two, that's why this is called adjective of number or numeral adjective. Now, fourth one we are going to do. I want to buy these socks, this shirt, and those trousers. Will you try to answer? Try yourselves. There are 3 adjectives, and all 3 are of demonstrative adjectives. All 3 are of demonstrative adjectives. These are these, and those. They are used with sock, shirt, and trouser. These are demonstrative adjective as they demonstrate. Now, exercise number 5. This is the very book that I was looking for. Will you try to answer? Here, only one adjective, and it is emphasizing. Now will you try? Now you try to answer. It is very. It is very. It is adjective of emphasizing. As very means the same. Emphasize the same. Less stress. It is the very book that I was looking for. The same. Very means the same. Means less stress. This is the book that I was looking for. That's why this is called emphasizing adjective. Now, sixth number. Whose bag is lying on my desk? WH question. And after that, bag is there. This is interrogative. Because interrogation is there now. Whose bag is lying on my desk? Interrogation is there. Asking. Whose bag is lying on? That's why this is called interrogative adjective, as after whose we have used bag. And it is interrogative. That's why this is called interrogative adjective. Seventh one. Ram is kind and helpful person. Kind and helpful, both are the qualities of Ram. Sorry, Roma. How is Roma? So she is kind and helpful. That's why obviously we can say this is a adjective of quality or descriptive adjective, as these both adjectives describe Roma, or these are the qualities of Roma. So this is called adjective of quality. Now, last one of exercise number A. Each person received a packet of Brazilian coffee. Here distribution, each person. So this is a distributive adjective, and Brazilian. Brazil is a proper noun, and we have added their suffix and formed an adjective. So we have formed an adjective from noun, so proper noun, then it is called proper adjective. It is called proper adjective, as Brazil is proper noun, and having added suffix we have formed an adjective. That's why this is called proper adjective. Now, let's move to the exercise number B. Exercise number B. Before doing this exercise, we will discuss about suffix. Suffix are the words, they are used with noun, verb in order to form an adjective. And these words are full, equal, is, active, less, many are there. So they are added after noun or verb. These are called suffix, and adding suffix the adjectives are formed. Like beauty, we will add at the end of the beauty, beautiful. Now beauty is a noun and beautiful is adjective. So this way, from noun or verb we can made adjective by adding suffix. Now let's do the exercise number B. First one, but let's see the instruction. Add the correct suffix to these words to form an adjective. Add the correct suffix to these words to form adjectives. You may need to make change to the spelling of some words, and we will have to make some change also in order to make adjectives in spellings. Now first one is given imagine, imaginary. So first one is imagine, we have add their suffix and the form is made imaginary. This is called an adjective. Now commerce and commercial, we have add their suffix. Now commerce is converted into commercial. Now commercial is an adjective. Miracle and miraculous, this is adjective. Energy, noun, from noun, energetic, adjective. Then green, greenery, greenery is adjective made from green, adding the suffix. Ave, aveful, adding the suffix to the ave, we have formed adjective. Moment, momentary, having added suffix to moment, mad, adjective. Magic, magical, adding suffix to magic, mad, adjective. Victory, victorious, victorious is mad, adjective from victory. So these are the adjectives made adding by suffix to the words. Words can be noun, verb, etc. Now let's see exercise number C. Complete this sentence with the adjective form of the words in the box. Adjective forms of the words are given in the box and we will have to use suitable in the blanks. One has been given. Creative mind of group came up with his innovative design. How is the mind? Creative, adjective, adjective, quality, or descriptive adjective. Yubena is allergic to all kind of nuts and mushrooms. Allergic is an adjective we have used here. Third one, the train ride was a lot more enjoyable than I was expecting it to be. Enjoyable. How was the journey? Enjoyable, adjective. After an emotional farewell. How is the farewell? Emotional, adjective. Kamal and Murtaja left for Canada. Now let's move to the next page. Exercise number 5 of C. Jyoti was asked to submit copies of her qualifications, education, and adding suffix educational. So Jyoti was asked to submit copies of her educational qualifications, adjective. Milind is passionate, from passionate, about his work as a photographer. Passionate is an adjective formed from passion, noun. From noun, the adjective has been made here. The presentation of global warming was very informative. Inform, verb, having add suffix informative, adjective. So, from informative is an adjective made adding suffix to verb, inform. The names in the register are alphabetical order. The names in the register are in alphabetical order. Alpha and suffix is added. So this is a adjective made from noun. Now let's move to the exercise number D. We will read the instruction. This graph shows the average temperature in degrees Celsius recorded in April 2016 in 4 Indian cities. Study the graph and complete the sentence. Now, study the graph and try to complete the sentence. Try yourselves. The first one has been given. Let's see. Chennai recorded the highest temperature in April. High is a positive and highest is a comparative degrees. So degrees are also used as an adjective. Degrees also used as an adjective. And we have used here highest. Why? It's easy to find out which adjective we will have to put there, as if before the blank, if there is the, then we can use their superlative degree, form of superlative degree. It's very easy, but at times we have to understand the meaning of the sentence also to find out the degrees. Comparative, positive, comparative or superlative degrees. Second, the maximum temperature recorded in Delhi was more than that of Mumbai, but its minimum temperature is less than that of Mumbai. Here, more and less, comparative degree. And here also indication, then, if you see then in the sentence and you are asked to put the degree, the adjective of degree, then you will use the comparative degree as then is found there. In the first one, superlative, we will use there the before the blank. Now, let's move to the exercise number 3. Exercise number 3. Mumbai seems to be the blank of the 4 cities shown in the graph. Try yourselves. I have already given the clue to you. If before blank, the is there, then which degree can be used? Try yourselves. Yes, before the blank, the is there. That's why we can easily put the form of superlative degree coolest. Isn't it? We can use because this is a superlative degree. Now fourth one, Kolkata was blank than Mumbai, but blank than Chennai. Then is given there. Very easy, you can try. The answer will be hotter and cooler. Hotter and cooler. Comparative degree. It's very easy to identify having seen than there or the before the blank, superlative or comparative. And as blank as are found, then we can say this is a comparative, this is positive degree. In Mumbai, the difference between the maximum and the minimum temperature was the blank out of 4 cities. What is the form of little superlative we will have to use? Why? Before blank, there is the. So there will be the superlative form of little is least. So in Mumbai, the difference between maximum and minimum temperature was the least out of 4 cities. Now, last one exercise of D. According to the graph, it would have been blank to visit Mumbai in April than Chennai, Delhi and Kolkata. What will be pleasant? More pleasant, comparative degree. As then is given there. So these are the degrees, positive, comparative, superlative. These are used as an adjective. Now let's move to exercise number E. Let's see. Complete these sentences with the positive, comparative and superlative adjectives. Let's see. Let's try. One has been given. Let's move to the second one. I am the member in the group. I am the member in the group. So there is a superlative degree. We will have to put as before the blank, the is there. So there we will put there an adjective of superlative degree. Now, third one, mother made blank pasta for lunch. No comparison, positive degree. So there will be, what will be the answer? You can say tasty will be the same as an answer. Mohan looks blank than before. Mohan looks blank than before. Slimmer. So there will be comparative degree, slimmer. Elisa is blank than brother. Form of short, comparative degree, shorter. The answer will be shorter. A train rides is a slow mode of traveling, but it is safer than flying. There will be slow and safer. There is no comparison in the first, and in the second comparison, that's why safer. Now seventh, she is the blank of two sisters. Talkative. What will be? The most talkative. Superlative degree. The is given before the blank. Ranjit is blank than everyone else in the class. Then comparison. Cleverer. Comparative form of clever. Now ninth one. I am learning to play volleyball and it does not seem as blank as I had imagined it would be. As comparative a positive degree, no change, difficult. There will be no change in adjective. It will remain the same as it is a positive degree. Last one of E. I am at maths now than I used to be. Then more confident. Then is their comparative degree. Now let's move to the next. Now let's move to the next. Exercise number F. Write the adjective in the brackets in the correct order. And adjective also there is correct order. So we will do the same. The first song, lamp, sari, chair, hat, path, film, these are nouns and in the brackets given adjectives. But in which order we will have to put, let's see. In second, we will put first a beautiful, a handmade, and paper lamp. Third, a new embroidered silk, a new embroidered silk sari. Then, fourth one, shiny brown teakwood chair. Chair is adjective and rest of our chair is noun and rest of our adjective. But in which order we should put, that is important. Hat, a stiff brown cowboy hat. Cowboy hat. Hat is adjective, a noun and rest of adjectives. Path. How is the path? Deserted, long, winding path. Path noun, rest of adjectives. Film. How is the film? An old Hindi action film. Film is noun, rest of adjectives. A pair of shoes. Noun and rest of new, leather, shiny are adjectives. A pair of shiny, new leather shoes. Shoes is noun and rest of adjectives. So this is the order of adjective. And now let's move to the exercise number G. Participle we are going to discuss here. Participle. Present participle and past participle. Present participle and past participle both can be used as an adjective. Like barking dog never bites. So barking is present participle here describing the dog. How is the dog barking? So this is present participle. And past participle. Past participle also used as an adjective. So let's see, underline the participle adjectives in this sentence. Only we will have to underline. I went to jet ski in Goa. It was thrilling experience. Underline thrilling. How was the experience? Thrilling, adjective. Thrilling is present participle, is used here as an adjective. The most interesting part of my day is when I go for my ballet class. Interesting, present participle, used as an adjective. Now, third one, Dinesh made the surprising decision not to play the match. Surprising. How is the decision surprising? Present participle. It describes decision. So this is called present participle is used here as an adjective. Sorry, we forgot third number. I can't go on the upcoming excursion to Simla because of wedding in the family. Upcoming, present participle. Now let's move to the next page. Exercise number 5th. I told you that present participle and past participle both can be used an adjective. So fifth exercise number 5th is of past participle. The exhausted farmer walked home slowly. How is the farmer? Exhausted. And exhausted is a past participle. The past participle is acting here as an adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. Present participle and past participle both can be used an adjective. How is the farmer? Exhausted. Sixth number. It was a good idea to watch the frightening film last night. How is the film frightening? Present participle. It describes the film. So this is an adjective, the present participle used here as an adjective. Seventh number. All interested students can meet Prerna ma'am after the class for more information on the event. Interested. Past participle. Acting as an adjective. How are the students interested? So, interested is an adjective of quality. Interested students. Formed from past participle. And last exercise of the chapter number 2, adjective. I have driving test tomorrow. Wish me luck. Driving, present participle. So this is also used here an adjective. So we have completed all the exercises. We tried our level best to explain. You will also try to learn it at home. Thank you very much.